Hello friends, a warm welcome to you. We all watch TV. Now imagine this. You have to go out for an important event, but the time clashes with your favorite show and you end up missing the show. Or if you're enjoying your favorite show on an OTT platform and the video keeps buffering every now and then because your internet is slow. Or a family is watching a cricket match on TV. It's a nail-biting match. Suddenly, it starts raining outside your home and your TV connection is lost. Well, we have a simple solution for all these problems. Presenting JioFiber. JioFiber is offering you a single subscription which will give you all your favorite TV channels, globally famous OTT apps, and unlimited ultra-fast internet. So this single subscription gives you all three: TV, OTT apps, and internet. With every JioFiber connection, you will get a high-speed Wi-Fi router, a 4K Ultra HD smart set-top box, and a smart remote. And for this, you will have to give a security deposit of 0. And installation charges will be 0. That's right, you pay nothing extra. Now let's explore all the super exciting features of JioFiber set-top box. Compared to DTH or cable TV, JioFiber is sheer viewing pleasure. With JioFiber, you can see your favorite show and all its seasons with the freedom to watch what you want and when you want to watch it. You will also get a smart remote with this JioFiber set-top box, which you can easily use to control your TV. Moreover, you can pause or play even on live TV. Suppose you're watching Big Boss on Colors TV channel. The show is at a critical juncture and that's when someone comes to your home, rings the bell. With JioFiber, it is easy. Just pause, go, meet the person, come back and watch from that point onwards. JioFiber also makes it easy to access your favorite channel. You can simply voice search.
Here is what I have got for Bhagya Lakshmi.
Or you can find the channel using the channel guide like you do it on cable TV. Or you can just type the channel number and watch it. With your JioFiber connection along with these TV channels, you will also get more than 14 OTT subscriptions. OTT subscriptions include popular apps like Netflix, Amazon Prime, Disney Plus Hotstar, Sony Live, ZEE5, Sun Next, and many more. This means now you can watch the latest shows and movies before they premiere on TV or in cinemas. And that too in your preferred local language. And you can watch all of this in the comfort of your homes in HD quality and with digital surround sound. JioFiber also lets you enjoy YouTube on your big TV screen. So keep watching kids videos, cooking videos, or music videos endlessly with unlimited internet data, great picture quality, and no buffering. Last but not the least, one feature that is useful for everyone in your family. JioFiber gives you ultra-fast internet. This means zero buffering and internet speeds up to 1 Gbps. Surely you may ask, what is the use of this? The benefit will be that multiple people can connect to multiple devices to JioFiber's Wi-Fi all at once. But all of you will enjoy seamless, buffer-free connectivity, all at the same time. All in all, I would say JioFiber is a fast, safe, and reliable experience for your entire family. So why wait? Book your JioFiber connection today.